Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create butterfly haute couture AI photoshoot with Google Gemini. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the photoshoot looks like, and I'm going to show you the prompt to create this photo. First of all, you can go to gemini.google.com or you can open up the Gemini app, and then I'm going to select new chat, and then you can upload your photo. I'm going to upload for example this photo, and then you can add this prompt. For the prompt guys, I'll put it on the description. Okay, and then I'm going to submit the photo and also the prompt, and let's see how it looks. Okay, it's still loading, and you can modify the prompt according to your needs. This prompt is especially for a woman. If you are a man and you want to create this photo, you can modify it. And okay, this is the result, and yeah, it looks gorgeous and elegant. And okay guys, that's all the way to create butterfly haute couture AI photoshoot with Google Gemini. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.